Hi friends, glad to see you on our channel, Drawing Magic, where today we are going to do something super cool. Namely, we will draw Barbie from the new movie, Barbie 2023. And while we're drawing our heroine, let's learn some interesting facts about her. Did you know that Barbie has a full name? Yes, it's Barbara Millicent Roberts. That's quite a twist, but of course, to us, she's just Barbie. Did you know that back in 1959, the first Barbie doll was sold? Since then, Barbie has become a true symbol and one of the most popular dolls in the world. On our Drawing Magic channel, we love her. Have you ever tried drawing Barbie or other characters? We know many of you are talented. Write in the comments what are your favorite ways to draw. Maybe some of you have already tried drawing with colored sand? By the way, Barbie is not only a doll. She has become the main character of many cartoons, books and even video games. How many of you have watched cartoons with Barbie? We are sure that many of you have. Did you know that Barbie was created by Ruth Handler? She came up with the idea for this doll by watching her daughter who played with paper dolls. Over the years, Barbie has tried over 200 different professions including astronaut, pediatrician, computer programmer, and even president. Over time, different Barbies have been made to look like people from different parts of the world. If you like the way we draw and want to see even more cool drawings on Drawing Magic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and put a like under this video. And we continue. The first Barbie cartoon was released in 2001, and since then more than 35 animated movies have been released. When creating animated Barbie movies, the team often uses advanced animation techniques. For example, some movies have used motion capture technology to make the characters' movements as realistic as possible. In the cartoons, Barbie changes outfits frequently. Interestingly, each outfit is designed with great attention to detail so that it fits the theme and time period of the movie. If you'd like us to draw some of your favorite characters with colored sand, then write your suggestions in the comments, and vote with likes for other viewers' favorite ideas. We'll be sure to draw them. Many cartoons featuring Barbie feature musical numbers. These songs are often popular and favorite among young audiences. Ken is Barbie's friend, and his full name is Kenneth Sean Carson. He was introduced to the world 2 years after the first Barbie was released, in 1961. Did you know that Barbie is not only a model, but also an athlete? She has played a multitude of sports at different times including figure skating, swimming, basketball, and many others. She is a true all-rounder who proves that it is possible to be successful in anything we enjoy. Know anything else interesting about Barbie that we haven't mentioned? Share it in the comments. We're always interested in learning new things from our wonderful subscribers. Was the first Barbie wearing a black leotard and heeled shoes? When Ruth Handler invented her, she wanted to create a doll that looked like a real woman and that girls could play with while pretending they were adults. Did you know that the most expensive Barbie in the world costs $300,000? She is made of gold and decorated with diamonds. In 2004, Barbie was honored with a star on the Walk of Fame in Hollywood. In conclusion, friends, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our new creations on the Drawing Magic channel. We really appreciate your support. And don't forget to tell your friends about us. We're sure they'll love it too. Thanks for being with us today. We hope to see you again. Don't forget to share your ideas and dreams in the comments. The very colorful and vibrant movie Barbie 2023 was recently released. One of our subscribers, Olivia from San Diego, was so impressed with it that she even made a little story about Barbie from the movie. In turn, we were so impressed with it that we decided to tell it to you all. And so here we go. Once upon a time there was a Barbie who lived in a perfect world. In her world, everyone was always happy and everything always worked out. Barbie was very beautiful and popular, and she had lots of friends. One day Barbie began to wonder what the real world was like. She heard stories about how the real world was not as perfect as her world. She decided to take a trip to the real world to find out the truth. In the real world, Barbie faced many challenges. She learned that people are different and that not everyone is always happy. She also learned that sometimes it can be hard to be yourself when you are surrounded by people who don't accept you. But Barbie didn't give up. She met new friends who helped her cope. Her friends were different, but they loved and supported each other. With the help of her friends, Barbie was able to overcome all the difficulties. She realized that true beauty is inner beauty. She also realized that it is important to be yourself, even if it is not easy. In the end, Barbie returned to her perfect world, but now she saw it differently. She realized that there is no such thing as a perfect world. Every world has its challenges, but it's important to remember that there are always people who will love and support you no matter what you are. Bye for now.